Hey guys, in today's video we are going to check out the ESR wireless power bank. This is a 15 watt fast charger. It's 5,000 mega amps magnetic portable wireless power bank, and it is designed for MagSafe. So we are going to check this out today and just see how small yet powerful it really is and see what features it has. Stick around. Alright, so they also sent me out a universal ring lock, a universal ring, 360 degree. And here we got the wireless charger. So let's go ahead and open it up, take a look here. Now I have the Samsung S24 and I'm gonna go ahead and check this out. But of course it comes with a little USB-C charging. I already charged this power bank up ahead of time. Look how small this is. There you go, right in the palm of my hand here. You can see the magnetic around here. And here is my Samsung S24, so you'll look right here. It can also be used just as a standard charger, not magnetic. So if you just want to use the USB-C cord for charging, you can see that it is charging right now. And this is a non-magnetic charging phone, so it doesn't have the wireless charging capability. And if you want to charge the phone with magnetic, with wireless, you can do that as well. So again, if you want to just use it as wireless, you can right on here with this Samsung S24. Or if you just want to use the cord and do direct, then you can do it that way as well. And you can see that it has an indicator here showing how much of a charge it's holding. So the thing I love about this is it's so small and lightweight and compact. It really is just a handy little charger. But yeah, what are some of the features on this? So some of the things that this is boasting is that it will charge 84 minutes faster, taking on average an hour and 26 minutes, for example, for an iPhone 15. 38% slimmer than most chargers at 15.5 millimeters. Most other brands are usually at around 25 millimeters. The temperature after 86 minutes of charging is on average 95 degrees Fahrenheit. Most other brands 106 degrees Fahrenheit, so this charges maintaining a cooler temperature as well. It's compatible with AirPods, Samsung, iPhones with MagSafe, with official MagSafe cases. So very handy. This thing will be great for travel, because this you can just throw in your pocket and be on the way. So highly recommend one of these, especially if you have like an iPhone with MagSafe. This is compatible with it, or even a Samsung, AirPods, whatever you have. This thing works great. And again, it works either as wireless charging or you can use the cord. So pick yourself up one. These are running on Amazon for around $40. I think there's like a 15% promo coupon going on right now. Check it out on Amazon. There's a link in the description. Pick yourself up one today for the holidays. Could be a great gift for somebody. Thanks for watching. I'll see everyone next time.